You're watching One to Step YouTube channel, a channel where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change the full name in Cash App. Alright, so let's say you want to change your entire name, you can do it. If you want to change your cash tag, you have a limit. You can only change your cash tag 3 times in your entire life. If you want to do more than that, you need to contact the support of Cash App and you need to do it through them. Alright, but for your name, you can change it however much you want. Alright, it's not that big of a problem. But remember this, after you change your name, make sure the person who's trying to send you some money, you inform them that you have changed their Cash App name, because if they send money to your old name, then it's going to be sent to another person, not you. Alright, so you need to keep that in mind. So let me show you guys how you guys can change your full name in Cash App now. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you open Cash App and click on your profile picture looking icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on it, you can see your name over here at the top. You just want to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to show you this option. From over here, click on edit name. Now over here, you can change your entire name. So I'm going to write my another name. You write your new name, click on submit. Once you do that, your name should be changed just like this. So yeah, that's basically how simple it is to change your full name on Cash App. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.